Hello everyone. The story of Picoin's price will never have an ending. It will always make you think, and no one can predict the future. Right now, Pi Network has been fully listed with all its information on CoinMarketCap. Traders and new investors who have just discovered Pi Network are very concerned about the circulating supply and the exact amount of Picoin being mined for free by users. If you have been part of the Pi Network project for a long time, but still don't fully understand how Picoin is distributed, or why you haven't received your Picoins in your wallet after such a long time, then you need to watch this video until the very end. Don't miss a single second. Once you understand how Picoin is distributed, you will have complete confidence in this project. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to Pi from Us if this video provides you with valuable insights. We will always bring you the most realistic perspectives on the Pi Network project, things that even the Pi core team might not be able to tell you. Let's start with the basics. The Pi Network project has a total supply of 100 billion Pi coins. Of this, the development team holds 20%, which is 20 billion Pi coins, while 15% is allocated for community liquidity, companies, exchanges, and even governments. The remaining 65% is reserved for the community to mine for free. That means we, the users, can mine a total of 65 billion Pi coins completely free of charge. At first glance, this might sound alarming, right? Traders and new investors hesitate to join Pi Network. They believe that the Pi core team is holding 20 billion Pi coins and will eventually dump them on the market, causing massive losses for users as the price crashes to 0.01 per Pi coin. They continuously warn investors to stay away from Picoin, claiming that the Pi core team is scamming everyone and just waiting for the right moment to dump their massive 20 billion Picoin reserve. With the conventional mindset in today's cryptocurrency market, they are not wrong. Even some pioneers, if they do not fully understand Pi Network, may be completely convinced by these anti-Pi arguments and end up selling all their Pi coins. Up until now, every cryptocurrency project has followed the same pattern, especially those that allow free mining. Users try every possible way to cheat, creating multiple accounts to receive as many airdrop tokens as possible, only to dump them quickly once the token is listed on an exchange, before others get the chance to sell. Meanwhile, development teams find ways to eliminate users' wallets so they don't have to distribute the airdrop tokens. After the token is listed, they spend money to create liquidity and generate hype, FOMO, only to dump their project's coins massively onto the market later. In the end, they walk away with a huge profit, leaving behind a project where users are left to fend for themselves. But Pi Network is a completely different story. We need to understand that all previous cryptocurrency projects had to sell their tokens to raise funds for development. Most of that money went into marketing and generating FOMO. As a result, these projects could only survive for a short time before running out of money and shutting down. Pi Network, however, can sustain itself without selling a single Pi coin on the market. Where does the money come from? Advertising revenue from users. As we've analyzed before, Pi core team has no interest in selling small amounts of Pi coins on the market just to make a little money. When they sell in large batches, millions of Pi coins at a time, to companies, exchanges, and in the future, even banks and governments that will need Pi for reserves. They will make massive profits in a single sale, rather than selling small amounts on exchanges and having to waste time covering their tracks. Do you understand this point now? It's like having a stable income of $5,000 per month and you own 300 Pi coins. Why would you sell your Pi for just $500? It wouldn't be worth it, so you wouldn't even bother, right? The most important thing to understand is that the mechanism for distributing Pi coins is not as simple as trading experts think. Those people have no real understanding, and they assume that the Pi core team already holds 35 billion Pi coins, just waiting for the right time to sell. In reality, the Pi core team only receives 20% of the total Pi coins that pioneers successfully transfer to the mainnet. This ratio is fixed and will always remain the same. For example, if 10 million pioneers transfer a total of 10 billion Pi coins to their wallets, the Pi core team will only receive 2 billion Pi coins for use. These coins will also be gradually unlocked based on the amount of Pi mined by users. Now, the next big question arises. How long will pioneers continue mining before the entire 65 billion Pi coins are distributed? The answer is, we will never fully mine all 65 billion Pi coins. Why? Because the mining rate continuously decreases as more people join the network. Additionally, any Pi coins mined on the Pi Network app are at risk of being deleted if users fail to pass KYC. Only the Pi coins successfully transferred to the mainnet count toward the total supply. Many accounts have been lost, and fake accounts have been removed. Even after 6 years, over 70 million Pi Network users have only mined 20 billion Pi coins so far. That means there are still 45 billion Pi coins left for the world to mine. But with the continuously decreasing mining rate, it could take hundreds of years to fully mine them. Mining is already not an easy process. And on top of that, the Pi core team carefully regulates how much Pi coin is released into users' wallets to maintain a balance between supply and demand. This ensures that Pi Network develops in a stable and sustainable way. Have you noticed how the price of Pi coin remains stable, no matter how volatile the market is? This is not because of market manipulation by whales or the Pi core team. It's simply the natural result of a well-managed ecosystem. What should you do? If you want Pi coin, the advice is to buy and use it within the Pi Network ecosystem, or to accumulate it as a long-term savings asset. You can buy small amounts regularly, monthly or yearly, as part of your financial plan. However, if your goal is to get rich quickly by putting all your money into Pi coin, hoping for a fast price surge, and then selling for profit, pifromus strongly advises against this strategy. You may profit a few times by buying low and selling high, but one bad trade can wipe out everything. Short-term Pi coin trading for quick profits is nothing more than gambling. Don't do it. Stay committed, pioneers. Patience is the key to success for you and for Pi Network. Your Pi, your choice.